What's up YouTube, Ritzel here for the Scooter Life and DIY YouTube channel. Hope everybody's doing okay. In this video, I'll be replacing smoosat electric scooter battery. So please stay still and watch my video. And please click on the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. Okay, so to open up the foot deck, I need to remove 4 screws on this side. And there'll be 4 screws on the other side too. And now once the foot deck is open, I need to disconnect the SM connector for your tail light. Now I need to remove 4 screws that secures the battery. And now I disconnect the XT30 connector, looking for the charging wire, and now I found it, and disconnect the SM connector as well for the charging port wire. So the main reason why the owner wants to replace the battery is that he told me that like after a full charge, when he's driving like 15 minutes or so, the electric scooter will shut off and won't turn on. So before pulling out the battery, I charge it first, like full charge, and this is what I've found. Nada voltaje or ono. So right away I ordered the battery online. Please click on the description down below guys if you wanted to see or find where I purchased the battery. So supposedly this is plug and play because I ordered the same XT30 and SM connectors, same as the stock one, but this is what I've found out. Black to black for negative and red to red for positive. But in this case, you will toast your battery for sure. So you gotta be careful what you're buying, guys. And always compare and double check before connecting. So thank you all for watching. Hope this video helped you with your DIY, and till next time guys.